What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? It's your boy KOBK, and today we're gonna do something a little bit different. Today we're gonna dive into the market of forex, and we're going to be looking at gold. Now we don't know what gold's gonna do. Gold may go up. Gold may go down. It's looking real good right now. I think it's gonna go up. I think we're gonna have a massive pullback though, because gold is at an all-time high, and to be honest, it can't go any higher. At least that's what I think. We should get a pullback. But we're going to do our analysis on the chart, and we're going to look for the perfect entries to take, and then we're going to execute those trades. Today I am trading on a prop firm account. We've passed multiple prop firms. We've achieved over 2.5, 3.5. I got to go back and look at the stats, but a few million within the month. And we're continuing to do it and continue to help families reach their goal to go ahead and change their financial future. So I want you guys to come over here, dive in with me. Make sure you like and subscribe on this video. And if you find this information valuable to yourself, leave a comment. Let me know where you're checking in from and share the content only if you want to. Don't have to, but it does help the channel out. So let's go ahead and dive into this market. Or record. There we go. We're about to hit that TP real quick. I'm just gonna trade.
Yeah.
You hit your TP. Good job. I'm just gonna trade, guys, in this zone. That's all I'm gonna do. Is trade in this zone. And let me see. Am I sharing my screen? Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure. Oh, boom, TP hit real quick. So we're just gonna trade in and out of that zone right there, guys. And I'm gonna mark this up for us because until we get something else, that's exactly where we're gonna be. There we go. We see that 2399, and I'm just gonna mark that area right there because that's actually the TP area. Actually, it can go higher, but if you just put the 2400.00, guys, I like to trade this one on hold numbers. You're good to go. And then the bottom area where we're looking at, boom. Oh, there she go. There's the breakout. Oh, my. Oh, my. This is what it's like to trade. Go. Who's still in? Who's still in, though? Is anybody still in? Oh, my. Oh, but it's all good.
My TP was 2400, so
good job. Oh, it didn't hit you. Oh, you say 2400. I got you.
Yeah.
Hey, everybody 1-0 for the morning, though, right? Everybody 1-0 for the morning, man. 1-0 for the morning. We'll see if we can find another one. So I'm looking. Let me see. 2, 3. Trying to get all my levels for you guys real quick. Oh, there's a level. Waiting. So we're literally trading price inside of there. We're gonna see if this candle closes out. But now, so to be honest, what I'm looking for is price to come back to 2400, and then I'm looking to take it to my next level of 2405. 24, which would be up here. Give me some music. Give me some music. No, I can't even play that. They be trying to boycott you, boy. They trying to, like, sir, you can't play that music. No more YouTube for you. You know what I'm saying? I gotta watch out, man. I gotta watch out. So I'm just zone to zone, guys. Man, I low-key want to enter. It's gonna go to 2405. I think I'm gonna be a little risky here. Let me see. We got 35 seconds. I'm looking to see if it pulls back to this level, I might enter. But realistically, the real entry is down here. But she may be gone. And what happens is this level turns into the floor, turns into the support. So then it wants to take off to the upside. But I believe she's going up there. I believe she is. Let's look at my currency strength, see what we looking like over there. USD is strong, though. That's the downside. So when USD is strong, gold should be weak. But we are trading on a smaller. Yeah, come on, baby. Yep. I wanted to come back down here. Come on. New level. Nope, right there. I'm entering here. Come on. Boom. I'm in right there at that level, guys. Yep. I'm telling you, we going zone to zone, y'all. Oh, man, let me put my stop loss in. Let me put my stop loss in. My stop loss is going to be 23.99. 20 23.99.0. All right. My TP for this one. Man, come on. My TP is going to be, I'm gonna go to 2405. 2405. All right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What you trying to do? This is another buy opportunity for Clark Curry. Man, I wanted that. That was a whole nother buy opportunity. Anybody hop in that second entry there? Y'all see how
Yes, sir.
it came back inside that box?
Yes.
But look, here's a liquidity block right there, right here. Right here, where the major drop, where this candle is, this last green candle, that is the box we want to enter. So anywhere inside of that box before the drop is where you can take an entry for a buy. And we are doing good. Yolanda, we are doing good, ma'am. This is what we do on this channel. Man, I still got to do an intro to this video, man. Still got to do an intro to this video. I wanted another entry so I can have two positions so I can leave one open without a TP just in case she runs. So now I'm literally playing the levels. And guys, another thing you could do when you're trading like this, seriously, on your computer, you could take this stop loss and drag it up so you're in profit. So you guys see how I'm in profit $50, right? I can drag it up right there and hope that it continues to go. But if it pulls back, I secure everything that I made so far. But I'm expecting it to go to the next level. We got a huge wick right here, which is pulling the market up. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. James Jones, you know what I'm going to do, bro? I'm going to move my TP up out the way just in case it spike again because I know y'all seen it. And then what if it goes past that level? I'm gonna drag my stop loss up to secure my profits, guys. I ain't playing, but gold be moving so fast, man. Let's go, let's go. We up. That says 30 pips. That's really 300 pips on gold because every pip is worth 10. So on your traditional forex, when you're moving 1 pip, 2 pip, that's actually 1 pip. So it'd say that would normally be 28 pips movements in the markets, but that's 300 pips. That's 200 now. 200 pips that it's moved in the market. Man, go ahead and hit that 2405. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Man, quick money, y'all. Welcome to the KOBK Salute class, where we teach you the basics of entering the trades, and you may just make money while we're doing it. All right, man. Come on. Oh, she almost hit. She almost hit. She almost hit. She almost hit. She's gonna smash through, bro. I believe she's going to smash through. So what I'm going to do, I want to secure some of my profits, to be honest. Yep. I'm going to secure some of my profits because I can always find another entry if she decides to come back down.
Yeah, that's what I did. I moved it up, so at least I'll get something.
Come on, Plumber, Mr. Hey, we gonna start calling Plumber Mr. Risk Management, boy. I'll tell you, Plumber don't be playing. Plumber saying, "Hey,
Nope.
having no drawdown on my account today."
Nope.
So there we go. Now this right here, this is Let me see what she gonna do. My. Show look good to me. Yes, it does. Secure some own profits. You make me want to take my money right now.
Hey, I might jump in again in a buy.
What's up?
I might take another buy this little pullback right here.
Nah, that's not a good entry for a pullback. Because it needs to come down here. That's your zone. This is really right here. What is this? Where this is your liquidity zone for this. You know what I'm saying? So like you could take a buy right here, then she comes back and spike, and then you're a negative drawdown. Then you're hoping for it to get just back to that level. Like you do what you want, but that's not an ideal setup for a good entry to minimize your money, your account, bro. So we do have, I'm looking for it to come to 24. I'm looking for it to pull back down here again. I am. I kind of want to take my money now and enter again. I am. I'm going to close that out. Take that money. I could have left it open, but I didn't want to be in the position that my brother over there talking about. So I want to pull back. I do want to pull back. We got some wicks here. Let's see if we get a pullback. I believe we will. We will get a pullback to the 2400 area. And then when we do, oh, look at us, Yolanda. Look at us. Oh, man, I ain't even noticed it. Oh, hey, now I can really play a little better now. Hold on. I can play a little bit better now. Yeah,
It just hit my TP.
yeah, bro. I told you that. We good. It's coming back down, though. It's going to come back
Yeah, it's
down.
coming back down. That's what I'm talking about.
I low-key want to put a pending order in at the 2400, 500 area. I do.
Yeah.
But I'll wait. I mean, it's no big deal. She might take off to the upside. I got my finger on the trigger. I'm ready. I am definitely ready. I'm ready. Yolanda over there like, put a standard in. But hey, Nelly, she's like, put a standard in, Nelly.
No.
A
No.
standard.
Yeah.
Damn.
She's like, just do a standard.
I'm telling you, that's how that stuff be whispering in your ear. You have to fight it out.
Nah, man. I realized, like, for real, on the 25K
Fight it
accounts,
out.
like right here, it's pretty good risk management. Because with the account there we're using, we can withstand a $700 pullback, right? But is she going? Uh-oh. Do I need to put a standard in? Now look, now check this out, Yolanda.
Uh-huh.
If she pulls back down here to this level, I may go in for a standard. I may, because that's a real dynamic entry. You know what I'm saying? I may, but she look like she want to run, man.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm about to buy.
Almost 10 o'clock, too.
That was a
I'm
good
hopping
buy
in.
right there,
I'm hopping in, man. I'm in. I'm not playing. I'm hopping in. She look like she want to
I'm
run.
waiting for a little pullback, man.
Yeah. I'm hopping in, bro. I'm using proper risk management.
I'm waiting for a little pullback on this. I'm gonna put a 0.10 line on this one. Come on, give me right there.
I don't know where I want to put my stop loss for those one. 16. Look. You see how quick it go down real quick? You see that, boy? Imagine if that was a standard, boy. We'd be over here crying right now. Why you do this? Why you do this to me?
It just took a buy just now.
Okay. 23. All right. 9, 8, 23.
Ooh.
23, 9, 8. I just need to protect it. I need to protect this account. Oh my. I'm about to abort mission. Because this cannot handle. I can cut my loss.
I think
here.
this is a good spot for look.
It's coming back to 2400. I'm thinking about cutting my loss here. I got to be real careful with what I do with this account.
Almost 10 o'clock.
I'm a hold, but if it comes down, I might just hold. It's at 50. I'm gonna buy again. I hope it does come to this level. 2400. Drag to modify 410. So that's 820 pips away right now. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Matter of fact, I need to.
That's sweet. Let's go. Hey man, you in the gold, man.
24.
Buy that
14.
gold. Let me see my TP. Hold on.
She might go higher. She might go higher. I'm gonna put her real far. I know she's not gonna go to this level yet, but just in case, 24.
My TP right there. Hold on 1 second. Hold on.
Put it up there. Right. No, Yolanda, I'm not about to buy again right now. I'm not. We're in an awkward position right now. We're in a very awkward position. Very awkward position. I gotta be careful. I want to minimize that. I do. I want a better entry. So she should take off. She should take off.
She should take off right now.
She should. She should.
Yeah,
Should.
yeah.
She
Man,
should.
I already made $1,000 in the morning, man. Shit, crazy.
You
Man,
welcome.
I'm fighting
You,
them.
you welcome, bro. Calm
Welcome.
down. Calm down, bro. You welcome, dog. Calm
I
down.
love it.
Calm down. Hey man, just make sure you tag me on Facebook, bro. You know what I'm saying? Tag me on Facebook, TikTok, Twitch, Instagram, Black Planet, MySpace, Twitter. Did I say BET? Yo, just tag me on all platforms, bro.
DT.
Man, we in a this is a dangerous position we in. Cause I know she wants to go. I do. I'm gonna just chill. I'm gonna just chill. We got good free margin
You think
down
it'll
here.
come all the way back down? You think it'll come all the way back down to 2402?
I believe it. Yes, that's what I'm hoping for. But she could just continue to run to the upside, and then we get another order block, and then she drops. If that happens, then I will wait for a retest, then enter. Bilson right here, I'm gonna just go with the trend, like whatever it's doing, I'm gonna just go with it. So I'm just waiting for another entry, to be honest, because I'm in a bad position right here with how the market is moving right now. I jumped in this trade earlier. It did not come down to the respected level that I wanted, but it's okay. We will get a pullback. But what I'm hoping is that this shoots up, you know what I'm saying, to get me out of this trade. Then we get that pullback. I don't want the pullback here now, and I'm still in this trade because I have to watch my margin. And then I don't want to close it right now just in case she decides to move to the upside. You know, so now we teeter-totter, man. It's like what the market is going to do. And I'm real quick on the X in this trade. Like, I could lose $90 on this account real quick and make that back. I ain't even worried about that. You know, but since we're doing another challenge, I want to minimize the losses on this account for the day. Now, we've been passing these accounts left and right, man. We generated over $3.5 million in funded accounts for individuals now.
Wow.
Just
Wow.
still going.
Wow.
Still going.
It's amazing.
That's amazing.
We did it. We did it in less than a month. Less than a month.
Oof.
Come on. So, you know, obviously with bigger accounts, we can trade bigger and be in the market a lot less time too. So then we can take the 5, you know, like I'm doing half a standard right now. You see, it's decent money because we're trading gold. Every pip is 10 pips. So we can go to a standard, 2, 3 standards, 5 standards, 10 standards, 25 standards, you know, and make some good moves. All right, I low-key want to exit this trade like right now, for real though. My. I think we're about to get that pullback. I'm gonna leave this trade.
Can we wait for a retest? Look like she's gonna retest, right?
That's what I'm waiting for. Yeah. So I
Yeah,
want
she look like
to.
she's gonna retest to the resistance and then take off again.
That's what I want. I'm gonna exit this trade. I'm not gonna play with you. Nah. I ain't gonna do nothing. I'm gonna wait. See, Yolanda, see how I tried to hop in that trade when it was moving? Like, yo, we about to catch this way, and that bad boy wasn't ready. The market was like, gotcha.
Right.
The market said, thank you. And the thing is, if it doesn't retest in this level,